Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Flare Network, data-driven ecosystem. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnet. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of Flare and Songbird at the time of the recording, and let's see what they have been up to lately, guys. So, guys, this is the daily chart for Songbird Flare Network. If we look at the yearly chart, guys, nothing much has changed. Like I told you guys, it is still in the levels, which is basically support levels. I told you that these are some crucial lines. The price has rebounded from this level 0.014, and let's hope that this support remains intact. And as far as Songbird is concerned, it is also reciprocating what Flare is doing, testing crucial support levels. Guys, if it remains above these levels, this support level 0.0065, 0.007, I think that we're good, and eventually it is going to be going upwards. But guys, it all depends on BTC and the overall market sentiment as well. Let's hope that the market remains positive and eventually Flare is going to be going up. Anyways, guys, let me show you this article over here. Building the future of DeFi with Flare's data-driven ecosystem. So, guys, this was basically an AMA, and this is the AMA recap. Shout out to Victoria Lee, August 2nd, 2024. So this is latest. The challenge of security integrating real-world data into blockchain environments has persisted in the Web3 space. Obviously, guys, you know that blockchains are isolated, but you need external data, guys. External data is a requirement for gaming, for AI, for various use cases, guys. So but to have fair data, accurate data, efficient data, it isn't easy, guys. Cost effective data. So this is where Flare comes into play. So check this out. Flare addresses this with its decentralized oracles, providing high integrity data and cross-chain asset integration, guys. So look at this, guys. Really a really good graphic over here. So yeah, presented by Flare. Let me see if this is a video, guys. Just a moment.
Building the future of DeFi with Flare's data-driven ecosystem, AMA recap. Oracles are a cornerstone of Web3, acting as intermediaries that fetch real-world data and feed it into blockchain environments.
Okay, so this is basically reading it all out. So anyways, let's come down and check what's happening. Presented by Flare. Oracles are a cornerstone of Web3, acting as intermediaries that fetch real-world data and feed it into blockchain environments. Guys, we've talked about oracles before. If you haven't checked it out, you can check out the projects the videos that cover oracles, like Chainlink, like PLI, plugin PLI. So yeah, oracles are basically the linchpin of Web3, and they provide efficient accurate data in the blockchain environment, guys. This connection is crucial for smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. By bridging the gap between smart contracts and external data sources, oracles empower a diverse array of decentralized applications to function effectively. So, guys, you need these external data sources to bridge this gap, to provide diverse decentralized application functions. However, while they unlock tremendous potential, oracles also introduce unique vulnerabilities and challenges that must be navigated carefully. So, guys, like I told you, there are oracles such as Chainlink, Pyth. They have been quite successful. They provide data in a similar way to Web 2, but with the same drawbacks, there's a lot of centralization. So, to avoid centralization, Flare comes into play, and this is the main the problem that Flare is aiming to solve, to provide decentralized Oracle services, basically, guys. So check this out, said Hugo Fillion, co-founder of Flare and CEO of Flare Labs, during the recent Cointelegraph AMA. His project, however, offers an alternative, empowering next generation interoperable dApps with decentralized data access, brought to you by Flare. Flare positions itself as a layer 1 like Ethereum. So the best part about Flare is that it is a layer 1 like Ethereum, guys. You know that Chainlink is built on top of Ethereum. With Flare basically is providing us that entire ecosystem, that entire product suite required for DeFi, for these use cases, with added data capture functionality, and provides decentralized access to high integrity data in an affordable way. This is made possible in particular by the oracles embedded in the Flare blockchain. It starkly contrasts similar platforms like Chainlink, which operate off chain networks of computers to agree on prices and then send proofs to a blockchain. So look at this, behind the data layer for the Web3. Flare offers two data protocols, guys. So Flare Time Series Oracle, which is known as FTSO, guys. This is FTSO, and Data Connector. So these are the two data protocols of Flare. The protocols are both enshrined in the network, which means they inherit the decentralization and security of the Layer 1 blockchain. So this means that, guys, they are not going outside the network to provide you data. This basically means that the Flare's own blockchain is involved. The network that is empowering everything is Flare's own layer 1 blockchain, guys. This is huge. FTSO enables Flare to provide real-time fluctuating price data. Fillion explained that it allows prices to be tracked for up to 1,000 different time series, rapidly changing data points such as crypto, stock, bond, or forex prices. You know that these data, guys, the crypto data, stock data, bond, forex prices, change not even in days, guys. Not even in hours. It changes in milliseconds, microseconds, seconds. So to provide accurate, reliable data is really important in the future for Web3 to maneuver, for the Web3 to function seamlessly, smoothly. The complex system relies on all of the network's validators, each with their own stake and community support, to collectively validate price. By trimming extreme outliers in the submitted prices, the FTSO forms a median that can be updated with each new block for thousands of time series simultaneously. Awesome. What else do we have, guys? The decentralized cross-chain asset integration. Fancy title, guys. Fancy name. Another unique feature of Flare is F assets. Guys, we've talked about F assets and how big of a game changer it is. It can propel Flare to heights we haven't imagined yet. A protocol that allows tokens from other networks such as Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and or XRP to be used on the Flare network, guys. This is awesome. Unlike wrap tokens, which often depend on trust in a group of people managing a shared control system, multi-sig or threshold signature schemes, F assets operate in a more decentralized and trustless manner. So this is awesome. Here again, Flare is focusing on decentralization. This is the first criteria of Flare to meet the mark of decentralization. With F assets, trust is placed in the over collateralized system and the network's ability to maintain its integrity. Filian explained that it uses over collateralization on Flare with a mix of stable coins and Flare tokens, so that if there's a particular run on Flare or a particular rally in a particular token, then there's a mix of collateral. And I've told you that FSS provides a smart contract to the projects that do not have it intrinsically built in, guys. Projects such as Bitcoin, Dogecoin, XRP. Look at the names, guys. Look at these names. So Flare Network not only is in itself a utility project, it is basically giving further functionality to these projects as well that do not have intrinsic smart contract support. So a new era of data-driven dApps can be possible. Filian mentioned several hundred projects built on top of Flare, including Raindex, a permissionless decentralized exchange, various projects, guys, like Spartex. Flare works with various partners, including Anchor, Figment, A41, and Blockdaemon. This is awesome, guys. In my opinion, guys, this is really a good article. You have to read this entire thing yourselves as well. And if you cannot, then you can hear this voiceover. I think they provided it here as well. I think Flare is really great, guys. They are their aim, their vision is awesome. Look at this. They're going to build their application on the chain that serves their purposes, various dApps that are being built on Flare. Flare's long term vision is to transcend the current tribalism in the blockchain space and become the leading provider of affordable, high quality data in the decentralized world. By the way, guys, this is where the title comes from for this video. Flare's long-term vision. So, guys, what do you guys think about Flare's long-term vision? Are you bullish on Flare or not? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.